Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Gedzi here, and hey, I got a quick unboxing video here for you guys, and this is from the Samplesource.com. Samplesource.com. Check him out in Twitter and Instagram. Basically, this is a company that makes you try some stuff. I know I got an old video of this. Just go ahead and sign up, and they'll send you an email if they have some products that they have available for sampling. Ideally, you should be able to pick, do your little profile, and you'll be able to pick your items or the samples based on your profile, and based on a little survey from the site, samplesource.com. Then they will let you pick items. The trick there is, once you get the email, you have to go quickly and pick your item so it doesn't run out. If not, you will have nothing left, or the process will close and you're not able to get any items. So once you get the email, if you signed up, go ahead and choose your product, and in a few days you'll receive an email saying that your items or your product has been shipped. And we'll check out what's inside this particular box. So it comes sealed, which is good, and they have different products, different things to try out. It could be food items, it could be cleaning supplies. Okay, so let's see what I get here. Ooh, I got this one, Nature's Path Organic Heritage Flakes. I actually remember getting this one on a previous box, and I think I really liked it. So I click it, and it said, yeah, send me one again. And I give them a good review, and I got another box, another pack. I mean, it's cereal, and you can eat it as it is. I like it because it's healthy. Next one is, well, you get a coupon for soap for seal, and you got a soap, Proclean, Persil Proclean, and this is a single pack of soap, laundry, and that's that. Oh, there's a couple more items here. Oh, Welch's. Who doesn't like Welch's? Fruit yogurt, strawberry. This is like fruit snack, I believe, or not. I'll have to check it out. Looks like it's the fruit yogurt, and it looked like that, I suppose. So it's fruits with yogurt in it, real fruit, surrounded by creamy yogurt. Yeah, I haven't seen this in the store yet, but yeah, you get first try it. If you like it, maybe you'll have it in the store one of these days. Cool. And last but not certainly the least is Bona. Here's a nice sample here. Bona It says stone, tile, and laminate floor cleaner. So if you have doubt if your stone or your tile or your laminate floor um, would get cleaned by this product, you gotta try it. You can buy this in a store. I mean, you know, the big size. Um, but you can go and try it at home. And if you like it, you know, all you gotta do is make a good review. Go back to the website, and they will ask you a couple questions, and just give your honest answer, opinion. You know, that's what you get for trying out the products. So I think it's pretty neat. A good um, products I have right now. So we got this Pathways Organic Heritage Flakes, Persil Soap, Laundry, Welch's Fruit Yogurt Snack, and Habana Stone Tile and Laminate Cleaner. Nice, a good amount. Look at that. Yep. So it says soap, you can use it. So when you go to the website, like I said, Samplesource.com, they might have more products, you know, but you better be quick. Sign up and wait for the email, and they'll give you like, you know, couple days to pick up the products, and they'll send it to you absolutely free. All you need to do, all they want is your opinion. All they want is, you know, your honest, you know, honest answer, honest opinion about the products you're trying. And make sure to keep an eye on emails, because they come in every, I believe, if not quarterly, every maybe 3 or 4 times a year. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. These are the products we got right now. Check it out. And if you like, you gotta try another other products with a coupon, which is pretty good. Yep. Samplesource. Alright. So, thank you guys for watching again. Rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below and hit like. Alright? Peace out. Bye.